Bonus facts, bonus facts, we love bonus facts. Fun facts, fun facts, we love fun facts. Bonus facts, bonus facts, we love bonus facts. Fun facts, we love fun facts. Hi, I'm Sneezer and welcome to Bonus Facts.
History!
Did you know that ancient Rome once used powdered mouse brains as toothpaste?
Did you know that Viking helmets never had horns in real life, and the horned version was invented in the 1800s?
Bet you didn't know this one. Ancient Spartan boys were encouraged to steal, but punished only if they were caught.
Did you know that the city of Constantinople had a chain across its harbor that stopped enemy ships for centuries?
Here's a fun fact for you. The Mayans had a game where losing players could be sacrificed, but sometimes winners were chosen instead because they were stronger offerings.
Did you know that in ancient China, a man could be executed for making counterfeit soy sauce seals?
Here's a fun fact for you. Ancient Persians judged a decision twice, once sober and once drunk, to see if they still...
Bet you didn't know this one. Medieval European doctors sometimes prescribed ground-up mummy powder as medicine.
Here's a fun fact for you. The Aztecs used cacao beans as currency, and taxes could be paid in chocolate.
Did you know that the Library of Alexandria had documents delivered by ship captains who were required to hand over any books on board?
Here's a fun fact for you. Genghis Khan's empire was so large that its laws allowed religious freedom for all subjects.
Bet you didn't know this one. Ancient Egyptians shaved off their eyebrows when their cats died as a sign of mourning.
Here's a fun fact for you. In medieval Japan, a samurai could legally kill a commoner for disrespect, a practice called kirisute gomen.
Science.
Did you know that tardigrades can survive the vacuum of space with no air or water? Here's a fun fact for you. Some atoms in your body are billions of years older than the sun itself.
Bet you didn't know this one. Lightning creates a molecule called ozone, which is why storms smell sharp and clean.
Did you know that quantum particles can tunnel through solid barriers even when they should not have enough energy to do it? Here's a fun fact for you. The deepest part of the ocean has pressures strong enough to crush a car like paper.
Bet you didn't know this one. The Milky Way is moving through space at over 1 million miles per hour.
Here's a fun fact for you. Birds are basically living dinosaurs, according to modern evolutionary biology. And did you know that sound can travel 4 times faster in water than in air because water molecules are packed tightly?
Bet you didn't know this one. Fire is not a state of matter like solid or liquid, but a chemical reaction called combustion.
Here's a fun fact for you. The human stomach gets a new lining about every few days, so it does not digest itself.
Did you know that octopuses can edit their own RNA, which lets them adapt their brains to cold water?
Bet you didn't know this one. Butterflies can taste with their feet when they land on plants.
Here's a fun fact for you. The coldest temperature ever recorded in a lab is a tiny fraction of a degree above absolute zero.
Did you know that the human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents?
Current events.
Did you know that global financial markets in late 2025 saw the largest single-day collapse in Chinese property firm bonds since 2020?
Bet you didn't know this one. Climate scientists found the Arctic is now emitting more carbon dioxide than it retains in some regions.
Here's a fun fact for you. One study estimated that warfare produced 230 million tons of CO2 equivalent in just 3 years.
Here's a fun fact for you. Indigenous protesters stormed the entrance to the COP30 climate summit demanding forest rights.
Did you know that Iceland declared the collapse of a major Atlantic Ocean current A national security threat?
Did you know that globally the past 11 years have been the hottest on record, and the last 3 years are the very top of that list?
Bet you didn't know this one. GitHub-style AI tools and agentic AI technologies remain among the biggest newsmakers of 2025, not just gadgets.
Did you know that some climate studies found the Arctic has become a net source of carbon dioxide as of early 2025?
Bet you didn't know this one. At Expo 2025 in Osaka, a drone show featuring over 2,500 drones set a Guinness World Record.
Did you know that NASA and Blue Origin announced a joint mission to Mars with spacecraft that will study the planet's magnetic environment?
Bet you didn't know this one. Hong Kong recorded 4 black rainstorm episodes in just 8 days in July-August 2025.
Here's a fun fact for you. International Fact-Checking Day on April 2 highlighted how misinformation linked to everything from scams to public health threats.
Did you know that 2025 is projected to be the second or third hottest year ever recorded, according to the WMO?
Mathematics. Ho!
Did you know that the number e is just as important as pi in calculus?
Here's a fun fact for you. There are infinity sizes bigger than other infinities.
Yeah.
And
Bet you didn't know this one. The chance of 2 random people sharing a birthday in a group of 23 is over 50%. Here's a fun fact for you. Any map on a plane can be colored with just 4 colors without touching colors repeating. Bet you didn't know this one. A perfect shuffle of a deck 8 times brings the cards almost back to the start.
Here's a fun fact for you. The Fibonacci sequence appears in sunflowers, pine cones, and shells.
Did you know that prime numbers go on forever, and there are infinitely many of them?
Bet you didn't know this one. A Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros.
Here's a fun fact for you. A circle has the largest area of any shape with the same perimeter.
Did you know that 0 was invented independently in places like India and Mesoamerica? Yep.
Bonus facts, our time sure has been swell. Bonus facts, I sure do bid you well. Please do stay safe, please don't be late. Make sure you follow Snager, because he's so great.